And these tape measures have a story behind them. Hey, I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this playlist is on tools. Now I'm going to put these tape measures in the tool category. I don't see why I wouldn't. And these tape measures have a story behind them. I picked these up. I'll tell you at the end of the video what I paid for them. But there are YouTube sites that show you how to find clearance deals for like dirt cheap. Dirt cheap. So I watched that video and I went to about 4 or 5 different Walmarts where I found the deals, and I got the deal on this. And these are Hart 6-foot tape measures. They came in a 3-pack. So, there we go.